Quick check on my balcony neighbours. So this is how they look now. Oh, they look like a full-grown pigeons now. There is just a little bit of fur left, and almost all is already in feathers. Like, look at this guy. He's fully aware that I'm here. And he's trying to protect the other one. This one is still a little bit angry. He wants to attack me. He wants to protect his sister, I think. Hello, baby. Aww. It looks like very soon I won't have pigeons anymore on my balcony, so they're almost grown ups, and this journey is gonna end.